This is Kanen coffee. Today we're going to test this beautiful Pavoni espresso machine. It comes to the store for it was like it has a broken side glass and it was stuck from the group head. And when I tested the machine, I found out this pressure stat is broken. Look how covered it is that. So I just did a tune-up for the machine. Replace all these gaskets. Here. Those were the old gaskets on the machine. So these are for the side glass. This comes on a group head over there, all the way in the top. This is also on a group head around the sleeve. This is for that, for this one, and this gasket is behind here, behind there, and this one for the steam valve, and piece of on the piston inside the group head, and this is for the group head under the, it comes here in where you put the portafilter. So now I'm using also another pressure gauge instead of that gauge to double check how accurate is that. And I also, that one was broken, so I give it a try. I said, let me just try to fix it, gonna repair it, and it works perfect. So let's go ahead and test it, make espresso shot on it. This coffee and grind is not calibrated to be for the Pavoni, but I'm just like testing. So it's very fine. I guess that's gonna be hard. Actually, it gives a perfect shot. It's even with some creamer. That's nice. Let's test the steamer. That works good. And I also always like to test it without a portafilter. I like this way. So I'm gonna turn it off and release all the water from here. That's also works good. That's okay, so the machine functioning perfect. Thank you for watching.